Today, we're going to be going over importing in new technology that you would have for your machine into the software. So you're going to go under Configure Post Processor, and this will be for an AgiVision. So you go to your Output Options page, you'll turn off your Automatic Configuration mode, and then you'll find the Manage Technology button. Once that's found, you'll go under Database Management, Import Tables, browse to the folder that your tables are, that your new technology is located at, and then select the technology to import. This could take 5-10 minutes depending upon the size of the database, but once complete, you will get OK button here, and then from there you go down to Active Database Table Selection, refresh the table list, drop down to the version that you just imported, which is the O, go down to Add a Wire Table, or if there's an existing one, we're going to go New, and we can just call this, we'll say version 2022, so that we know that this is a new database. Hit OK. Scroll down, commit the changes, set technology, scroll back up, and hit the green check. Once we're done there, we can save as default. Camtek spelled backwards, and then we're finished.